In today's video, I'm going to show you whether pdfrani.com is a legit website or just another online scam. Let's dive right in and see what this site is all about. When you visit the official pdfrani.com site, you'll find that they offer a variety of content from market updates, money-making strategies, and educational posts to helpful tips like how to convert 4G SIM to 5G SIM and boost your digital security. Their homepage is organized with different categories, making it easy to browse through all their articles. To determine if the site is trustworthy, I used a tool called Scam Finder, which is a great resource for checking the safety of websites. According to Scam Finder, pdfrani.com has an average to good trust score, which means it's generally safe to use. Some key possibilities include a valid SSL certificate for secure browsing and DNS security filter approval showing no signs of malicious activity. So overall, pdfrani.com appears to be a legit website that you can explore and use with confidence. Always take a minute to verify new websites using tools like Scam Finder, Voice Lookup, or Trustpilot. It's a quick step that can save you from scams and protect your personal data. Thank you for watching this video.